This is how you go from this completely dull and this right here. This is almost as good as new. At Fika Tech Systems, we specialize in projector lamp replacement and complete lens servicing, both on-site and off-site. After years of use, dust builds up, filters clog, and the lamp wears out, causing your projector to lose brightness. In this project, we are working on an Epson EPS18 that hasn't been serviced for nearly 5 years. We start by carefully unmounting the projector from its cage, open it up, and clean every critical component, from the cooling fans to the optical lens system. Next, we replace the worn-out lamp with a brand new one and clean the air filters to restore full brightness. And just like that, your classroom projector is back to life, ready for lessons, movies, and presentations on the go. For professional projector servicing and lamp replacement on our Epson models, call or WhatsApp Fika Tech Systems on 0726 849 766.